Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MyLanguageExchange, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install MyLanguageExchange, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official MyLanguageExchange website. Look for the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required fields in the registration form. This usually includes your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security purposes. After filling in the details, read the terms and conditions before agreeing. Then, click on the Submit or Sign Up button to create your account. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation link. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the MyLanguageExchange website and log in with your new credentials. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the platform. Navigate to the Profile section to complete your LanguageExchange profile. Add information about the languages you speak and the languages you want to learn. This will help match you with suitable language exchange partners. Set your preferences, such as location and learning goals. After completing your profile, start searching for language partners. You can use the search filters to narrow down your options. Once you find a suitable partner, send them a message. Introduce yourself and express your interest in language exchange. Be proactive in scheduling a time to connect with your partner. Make sure both of you have agreed on the platform and method for communication. Enjoy your language learning journey with MyLanguageExchange. Take advantage of the resources available on the website for further assistance. Remember to update your profile and preferences as you progress in your learning. Engage with the community through forums and discussions. Good luck on your language exchange adventure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.